If you want professional tips and tricks to apply a relaxer, keep watching this video. When relaxing your hair at home, here are the tools that I recommend in order to make the process as smooth and seamless as possible. You need gloves to protect your hands, an applicator brush, combs, wide tooth and fine tooth, clips to section the hair, a timer, petroleum jelly to base the scalp, neutralizing shampoo, moisturizing shampoo, and a conditioner, hair mask, etc. When considering using a relaxer on your hair, especially in a virgin application, assess the health of your hair. If your hair is already showing signs of damage or is extremely dry, I would not recommend applying a relaxer. And then when choosing a relaxer at home, your options are lye versus no lye, and both have their advantages and disadvantages. Lye relaxers allow for faster processing, but can be harsher on the scalp. They are best used for professionals. I only use lye relaxers in the salon. No lye relaxers are gentler on the scalp, but due to their formulation, they can cause dryness. These are typically marketed for use at home and are typically the ones in a lot of the box, quote unquote, kits. When applying a relaxer, one of the first steps is to section the hair, and usually 4 sections is ideal. This allows for control and easier application. After you've sectioned the hair into 4 sections, you want to base the scalp to protect the scalp and the hairline. So this is where you use your petroleum jelly around the hairline, ears, and scalp to prevent irritation. And this is how I apply a relaxer. I always begin at the back where the hair tends to be coarser, and I work toward the front. As you notice here, I'm applying the relaxer away from the scalp initially. This is because your body's natural heat always causes chemicals to process faster, whether it be relaxer or color. So I'm going in about 1 inch away from the scalp and working my way down the hair shaft. And then, as you'll see later, I'll come back and apply the relaxer at the roots for more even processing. When applying a relaxer, timing is key. Follow the relaxer's instructions for processing time based on hair texture, whether your hair is fine, medium, or coarse, and you want to avoid exceeding the recommended time. As far as relaxer strengths, I never use a super relaxer. I generally use regular or mild because super relaxers are overkill in my opinion. And working in the salon, I can make a regular relaxer work for quote unquote coarse hair because my goal when applying relaxers is just to get the hair in a more manageable state for my clients, not to completely straighten it and remove the curl pattern. If you notice, as I'm applying the relaxer, I'm also smoothing it with my hands. I'm not using a comb at this point. I'm just smoothing it and laying the hair down, applying relaxer on both the front and back side of each section. When it comes to a successful relaxer application, timing is everything. Set a timer as soon as you begin to avoid overprocessing your hair. If possible, work with someone who can help you part, smooth, and rinse quickly for an even relaxer application. Caring for relaxed hair requires a thoughtful approach in order to maintain its health, strength, and manageability. Relaxed hair is more prone to dryness because the relaxing process can strip natural oils from the hair. That's why it's important to use hydrating shampoos and conditioners to replenish moisture. Relaxers also weaken the hair's protein structure, making protein treatments essential for maintaining strength. After I apply the relaxer from that section that's about 1 inch from the root on down, I go in and apply to the roots. After the relaxer application, be sure to thoroughly rinse and shampoo the hair using a neutralizing shampoo. The ones with the color indicating suds are great for at-home use because that is going to indicate when all the relaxer has been rinsed and removed from the hair. I usually will shampoo the hair with neutralizing shampoo 2 to 3 times to bring the hair back to its proper pH balance. Some of my favorite neutralizing shampoos are the Mazzani Formula 7 or the Design Essentials Neutralizing Shampoo. I then follow with a super hydrating or moisturizing shampoo such as the Honey Cream Moisture Retention Shampoo by Design Essentials. Always follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioner or a bond building treatment to replenish the hair. Olaplex number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask, Mazzani's 5-in-1 Reconstructor, or Design Essentials Honey Cream 6-in-1 Reconstructor are some good ones to try. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful. And if so, be sure to subscribe for more healthy hair tips from a licensed hairstylist. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.